Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Honda HR-V. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. 2023 Honda HR-V SUV review, Honda, do better. A really good subcompact SUV held back by a funky engine. SUVs under $30,000 in 2022 can be hard to find. The average new vehicle transaction price exceeded $48,000 in August. And the redesigned CR-V abandons its base model, which means Honda's compact SUV is more expensive than ever. Fortunately, the automaker has an all-new version of the 2023 HR-V, the CR-V's smaller and more affordable sibling. This is the only offering in Honda's SUV lineup with the base model under $30,000, but does it retain the glamour level of the excellent new Civic? Not really. We'll start with staff's almost universal complaints about the HR-V's drivetrain. We realize that buyers of subcompact SUVs are mostly not interested in straight-line speed, but even for these customers, the HR-V is underpowered, not to mention less efficient than its predecessor. Our judge's notes describe the engine as anemic, discouraged, and troubled. Not only that, the insufficient power reserves of the non-turbocharged subcompact Honda were found high across the rev range. We often had to fix the accelerator pedal to the ground to drive comfortably on highways or on slopes. At the same time, the noisy and continuously variable automatic transmission means the engine grunts unpleasantly during acceleration. If Honda offered the HR-V with the turbocharged i4 found in the Civic and CR-V, it would go a long way toward addressing both power and noise. For what it's worth, the HR-V was surprisingly adept at an off-road track designed to mimic driving in low traction conditions. Especially in snow mode, it moved easily in deep stuff with plenty of grip and enough clearance. Multiple judges also touched on accurate steering and good body control, but buyers should be aware that there are comparable alternatives with smoother ride quality and less road noise. Honda's driver assistance technology is intuitive and works well, and is standard on all equipment. Inside, the cabin is clean and functional, but one judge was tired of the honeycomb vent motif first seen on the Civic. Also available on the CR-V and Acura Integra. Honda has provided a lot of smart storage solutions in the HR-V's cabin, and there's more room inside than we expected. The digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system are logically placed, but the infotainment graphics look a bit dated and we wish the screen was slanted towards the driver. In the back, the joint online editor and assistant Do You Play Basketball? Officer Alex Lentz, at 1.8 meters tall, could almost fit behind his own sitting position. We like the center storage compartment, but most judges complained about the lack of charging ports and climate control vents for the rear passengers. So the HR-V offers strong value for buyers looking for a Honda SUV, and we love its smart, spacious interior and useful standard safety technology. But that's not enough to compete in a subcompact crossover segment that reaches more than 20 vehicles. It might feel different if Honda had offered its subcompact entry with a more powerful and efficient turbo engine or hybrid powertrain, but as we sit down we know Honda could do better.